With all this in mind, we can formulate the objection or the issue that Mill, is trying to address with the following argument or summary of an argument. That is, it looks like act utilitarianism, that is, if it's true, then the only moral worthy considerations would be how much pain and pleasure an act and its alternatives would produce. That at least appears to be the case if act utilitarianism, Moore's theory, is true. But given our example, it seems it's not the case that the only morally worthy considerations would be how much pleasure and pain an act and its alternative would produce. That is, if we think about it, we wouldn't suggest that the woman leave her money to the sex, drugs, and rock and roll nephew. We think that what the benevolent medical student nephew is going to do certainly is a better choice, a better use of the woman's money. But notice, from these two premises, the conclusion follows that act utilitarianism is not correct. That is, there is a serious problem with act utilitarianism.